another creation by Blackbridge Motors. Where am I going?
Driving Miss Daisy.
Friggin' going nowhere fast. That's where I'm going. Actually, we're trying to set clutch and brake pedal in this thing. So nobody makes a real setup for this. If you want to do this with a real standard shift transmission, so you got to have 3 pedals, right? Gas pedal to your right, brake in the middle, and a clutch pedal to your left. So we're fabricating a pedal box, clutch and brake, and we're just working on the height to make sure it's proper height and it's comfortable to drive. And I think Jack's got it dialed in pretty damn well. I think we're good to go. Jacko did a good job.
Shows the front of the car.
Front of the car?
Yeah.
I mean, at some point we should put this thing in the air and do the whole thing. This truck's pretty sick. Independent front suspension, rack and pinion, nice and easy to steer. LS3. It'll be air conditioned. So this truck really will look pretty darn original, but it's going to be very modernized. 430 horsepower, LS3, 6-speed Tremec 256 transmission, 12-bolt GM in the rear, and with a 4-link suspension. So this thing will drive freaking great. Looking forward to it. We have our wiring harnesses custom made because we have specifications on different vehicles. How long we want the main harnesses for the fuse box into the ECMs. That varies from car to car with us. So we got a company a couple of towns over that does them, makes them for us specific. It's nice and clean and tidy. Once we get the pedals set, dialed in, and we'll work on getting the steering connected. You can see it kind of flopping around here. Jack's got it pretty well in there, don't you, Kenna? Does it work? That's why we like them. So yeah, it's going good. Fuel tank should be here next week, and we'll start plumbing electricity and fuel and getting this thing on the road the next couple of weeks. So it should be good.
It's out.